Welcome to Thai Immigration News. I'm Jim from Siam Legal, your go-to source for the latest updates on traveling to Thailand. We have some important updates for travelers. Thailand has introduced a new visa regulations that make visiting much easier and much more convenient. Let's dive into these updates and see how they can improve your travel experience. First up, let's discuss the 60-day visa exemption. Previously, you could stay in Thailand for only 30 days without a visa. Now, this exemption allows visitors to stay longer in the country for up to 60 days and enjoy more of what Thailand has to offer. This visa exemption applies to citizens from 93 countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and many European and Asian nations. You can stay for 60 days without needing to apply for a visa in advance. If you wish to extend your stay, you can apply for an extra 30 days at the Thai Immigration Office, allowing you to stay for up to 90 days in total. These changes highlight Thailand's commitment to boosting tourism by simplifying the visa process. Whether you're meticulously planning your trip or deciding to visit spontaneously, Thailand aims to make your travel experience more accessible. Next, let's talk about a visa on arrival, or what we call VOA. This option is perfect for those planning trips on short notice. The VOA is now available to citizens of 31 countries, up from the previous 19. The VOA allows a stay of up to 15 days, ideal for short visits. The fee for the service is 2,000 baht, approximately $60. For instance, if you're traveling from Venezuela and decide on a last-minute trip to Thailand, you can obtain your visa on arrival upon landing, pay the fee, and start your adventure right away. These new visa regulations give you greater ease and flexibility to explore Thailand. Get your itinerary ready, pack your bags, and prepare for an amazing journey in Thailand. For more details, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with the latest immigration news in Thailand.